Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app. And once you're here, tap on the search icon on the bottom bar. And now, as you can see, you're in the Explore page of your profile. If you scroll through, you will get to see all the suggested contents. So, if you want to reset this page, tap on Profile on the bottom right and then tap on Menu on the top right corner. From here, tap on Your Activity. Once you're in Your Activity, tap on Likes on the top. And after that, you will get to see all your liked contents. Now tap on one that you don't like and then unlike this post. This way you can unlike all the pictures which you do not like. This way you will stop getting suggestions of similar kind of posts. So this way you can go ahead and remove each and every one of them one by one. Now go back to your activity and scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap on Recent Searches. Now what you need to do is tap on Clear All and then tap on Clear All to confirm. And lastly, go back to your home page and then tap on the search icon. Now from here you can tap to open a post that you do not like. And once you open it, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on Not Interested. Now go back again. This way you can scroll through and select whichever post you do not like and tap on the three dots and then select Not Interested. You will stop getting suggestions that are similar to those posts. Since you do not have the option to reset your Instagram Explore page directly, you can follow these steps in order to reset it. So that is how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.